Inova Turn and Learn seating helps students interact with each other like never before with its 360-degree swivel action on a rotating arm. This innovative seating system comprises of 3 frame designs and comes with a multitude of seating and desking options to enable you to adapt the system to meet your exact needs. The flexible nature of Inova allows the system to be utilized in numerous applications away from the classroom or lecture theatre. The system is ideal for IT suites, restaurants, libraries, corridor workstations and many other locations in the workplace. The Inova seating range truly complements our quality range of auditorium and lecture theatre seating and offers an alternative style of teaching when delivering a curriculum or course.